All right, welcome back to Better Kansas City. It's a delicious appetizer for your Thanksgiving table and for the whole season and well beyond. And joining me here in the Price Chopper kitchen is Junior Chef Noah Belcher to show us how to make pumpkin crostini. Did I say it right?
Yes, you said it.
Do you know why it's spelled with an O, but it's pronounced like crust?
No.
Okay. But you know how to make it. That's what's important, right?
Yes.
All right, so why did you choose to make this dish today?
It's such a fall, inspired dish, so it's perfect for Halloween, Thanksgiving, everything.
Perfect. How often do you cook at home then?
3 or 4 times a week.
Wow. How do I influence my kids to cook like you?
Tell them if they can do something, then they can do it. Just keep trying.
All right, kids, are you watching this at home? Because Noah knows what he's talking about here. So, all right, well, let's get started. We're prepping up the pumpkin first off,
yes,
right?
Yes, the pumpkin. So we'll take some extra virgin olive oil.
Okay.
And spread it all over the pumpkin.
Drizzle it over our pumpkin there.
And then a little bit of kosher salt.
Okay.
And
what was the meme from the internet where the guy salts everything way up high? Do you do that?
May.
Yeah, salt may. There he is. Noah, do salt bay one more time so everybody can see you. There you go. That's right.
And then some fresh herbs. You can use dried if that's what's available because not a lot of stuff
Is that some oregano there?
It's
or what
fresh
do you got
right
there?
now. There is oregano, sesame seeds, red pepper flake, and basil.
Okay.
And we'll put this in the oven at about 350 degrees.
Okay. Oh wow, you've already got some on there that looks really good. Here, careful. We normally don't let me touch the oven, so I'm not sure if it's.
Okay.
I don't know where you should put that. Why don't you just put it on the oven there? This is why they don't let me in the kitchen very often. So
because we burn things.
Because we burn things. That's right. Did you see them set stuff on fire over here this morning? So, all right. Well, we got our pumpkin out of the oven here. So what do we are going to put it on the bread here and put some cheese and some stuff on top.
So right here we have some whole milk ricotta cheese.
Okay.
And I want you to add that mascarpone. You can.
Some what?
Mascarpone cheese.
That's another name that I can't pronounce, but good job. I'm glad you did. All right, there we go. Mascarpone cheese? Mm-hmm. I've never heard of mascarpone cheese before.
And then some goat cheese.
Some goat cheese, okay. There we go.
And the goat cheese just adds a little bit of tanginess.
Goat cheese adds tanginess, okay. I did not know that. No, I've learned more from you so far than I have from a lot of the other chefs that have been here.
So we'll take one of our pieces of toasted...
Hang on to it there.
Of toasted French bread.
Okay.
And we'll get just
just a little bit.
About a tablespoon.
Okay.
Of the cheese mixture.
And just spread it on the top there.
Spread it over the top.
Okay. And
then 4 or 5 pieces of the pumpkin.
Now, what does cooking the pumpkin do to it? Does it really? Because it's what do you call that when it blackens on the top and everything?
It caramelizes.
Caramelizes it. Yes.
And then we want to add just a little bit.
That balsamic or?
Balsamic.
Oh, yes. Now we're talking.
And a sage leaf.
Well, look at that. That looks fantastic. So, Noah, are you skipping school today?
Yes.
You are? Do you want to say hi to all your classmates right now? Look right into, here, we're going to look right into that camera that says number 7 right there and say, hey, kids.
Hey.
I'm skipping school today and I'm on TV.
I'm skipping school today and I'm on TV.
Excellent. That's right. All right. Well, what else? So you like serving these for Halloween, for Thanksgiving, for here you make another one so I can eat this one that you made. Is that okay?
Uh-huh.
All right. Is there anything else that you want to tell everybody that now that you're on TV and you're doing it big?
No.
Well, what else do you make here when you're home, when you're cooking dinner 3 nights a week? What are your favorite things to make?
Pasta. Ribs.
Pasta and ribs? Dude, come over more often, okay? You made pasta and ribs last time you were here?
I made ribs last time.
Where was I? Noah, thank you for being here. We appreciate it. Cheers to you, sir, and good job skipping school.